Welcome back. Today, we're exploring 10 new Makita tools you haven't seen before, now available on Amazon. These tools combine smart design, serious performance, and Makita's trusted build quality. Perfect for pros and serious DIYers alike. All product links are in the description box. Let's take a closer look. Fiber Cement Shear Kit. The Makita 18V LXD Brushless Fiber Cement Shear Kit is built to make tough cuts easy and clean. It cuts up to ½ inch cement board fast while creating less dust, which is great for indoor jobs. The brushless motor runs cooler, lasts longer, and delivers up to 3,000 strokes per minute for smooth cutting power. The shear head rotates 360 degrees, so you can cut comfortably from any angle. A rubberized D-handle gives you a solid, comfortable grip all day. The steel cutting head helps blades cut clean and straight every time. It's cordless, lightweight, and part of Makita's 18V LXD system, so batteries charge fast and keep you working longer. This tool is a solid choice for siding, tile backer, and floor work. Rebar Tying Tool Kit. The Makita 18V rebar tying tool is made to save time and effort on job sites. It runs on a powerful 18-volt battery and uses a brushless motor for longer life and cooler work. This tool can make up to 5,300 strong ties on one full charge. It ties rebar fast, often in less than 1 second. You can tie small or large bars with ease, even multiple bars at once. It has 2 modes, single tie or continuous tie, so you work faster with less hand strain. The wire loads easily and locks in place for smooth use. The kit includes 2 5.0 Ah batteries, a fast charger, and a storage case. This Makita tool is a smart choice for strong, fast, and reliable rebar tying. Rebar Cutter Kit. The Makita 18V LXD Brushless Rebar Cutter Kit is built for fast, clean, and spark-free cutting. It easily cuts rebar up to 5/8 inch thick, making it perfect for concrete and steel work. With one 5.0 Ah battery, you can get up to 233 cuts of number 5 rebar, so you stay productive longer. The brushless motor runs cooler, works more efficiently, and lasts longer. Each cut is smooth and quick, taking about 2.8 seconds. The 360-degree rotating head lets you cut comfortably from almost any angle, even in tight spaces. Because it's cordless, it's great for job sites without power. Powered by Makita's 18V LXD system, this cutter delivers strong performance with fast charging and reliable battery protection. High-Speed Blower and Inflator. The Makita 18V LXD Brushless High-Speed Blower and Inflator is a small tool with big power. It delivers air speeds up to 447 miles per hour, making it great for cleaning dust, debris, and tight spaces. The brushless motor runs efficiently and lasts longer, giving you strong performance every time. With 4-speed settings, you can easily control the airflow for different jobs. It comes with 5 nozzles, so it also works as a quick inflator. The compact, inline design and rubberized grip make it comfortable to use, even in small areas. A built-in LED light helps you see clearly while working. Powered by Makita's 18V LXD system, it offers long run time and fast charging for everyday job site and home use. Cordless Multi-Tool. The Makita 18V LXD Cordless Multi-Tool gives you strong cutting power without the cord. It's built for cutting, sanding, scraping, and grout removal, all in one compact tool. The variable speed dial lets you adjust from 6,000 to 20,000 oscillations per minute, so you can match the speed to the job. A 3.2-degree oscillation angle helps you cut and sand faster, while reduced vibration keeps the tool comfortable to use. The slim barrel grip fits nicely in your hand, and the large slide switch with lock-on makes long tasks easier. It works with Makita's 18V LXD batteries, known for fast charging and reliable power. This multi-tool is a smart choice for remodelers, contractors, and DIY users who want versatility and control. Rotary Hammer. The Makita Rotary Hammer is built for heavy-duty drilling and chipping. Its powerful 11-amp motor delivers strong impact energy, making tough concrete jobs easier and faster. This tool accepts SDS Max bits, giving you solid performance on demanding work. Makita's advanced anti-vibration technology, or AVT, helps reduce vibration so your hands feel less tired during long use. The soft start feature gives you better control when the tool powers on, while constant speed control keeps performance steady under load. With variable speed settings, you can match the speed to the task. Helpful LED lights alert you to service needs or power issues. Reliable, strong, and comfortable to use, this rotary hammer is a great choice for professionals tackling serious concrete work. Finishing sander. The Makita 18V LXD brushless 1/3 sheet finishing sander gives you smooth, clean sanding without the cord. It has 3 speed settings, so you can choose low, medium, or high power for different surfaces. The 1/16" orbit action helps remove material faster while leaving a swirl-free finish. The brushless motor runs efficiently and lasts longer, while smart motor and battery placement reduces vibration for more even results. The ergonomic grip feels comfortable, even during long sanding jobs. This sander is also AWS capable, allowing wireless start and stop with a compatible dust extractor for cleaner work. Powered by Makita's 18V LXD system, it delivers fast charging and reliable performance. It's a great choice for finish work, remodeling, and detailed sanding projects. Makita Polisher. The Makita Polisher is built for smooth, professional results. It delivers strong, steady power for polishing cars, boats, stone, and clear coat finishes. The variable speed dial and trigger let you match the speed to the job, giving you better control. A soft start feature helps reduce splatter when you apply wax or polish. The constant speed control keeps the tool running smoothly, even under pressure. For comfort, it has a rubberized loop handle and gear housing that feel good in your hands and help protect delicate surfaces. The wire mesh intake covers keep dust and fibers out of the motor for longer tool life. Reliable and easy to use, this polisher is a favorite for detailers and professionals. Makita Die Grinder. The Makita Die Grinder is built for fast, smooth grinding in tough jobs. It features a powerful 3.5 amp motor that delivers up to 25,000 revolutions per minute, making it ideal for metalwork, weld cleanup, and detailed grinding. The AC/DC switch allows flexible power use, adding extra convenience. This grinder runs quieter at 73 dB, helping reduce noise on the job. The slim barrel grip fits comfortably in your hand, while smart air vents push airflow away from your face. A round collet nut helps protect the work surface from scratches. With strong motor protection and a durable design, the GD0601 is made for daily professional use. It's a reliable choice for welders, mechanics, and metal workers who need power and control. 3-inch cutoff tool. The Makita 18V LXD brushless 3-inch cutoff tool delivers fast cutting power in a small, lightweight design. Its brushless motor spins at 20,000 revolutions per minute, making quick work of cuts, even in tight spaces. The compact size and one-handed operation make it easy to control and comfortable to use. A built-in LED light helps you see clearly, while the easy-to-reach switch allows smooth forward and reverse use. The toolless dust collection guard installs quickly and lets you set a cutting depth of up to 5/8 inch for cleaner cuts. Powered by Makita's 18V LXD system, this tool offers longer runtime and fast charging. It's a great choice for professionals and DIY users who need speed, control, and portability.